Hey guys, Roman, Best Roman Northwest here. Hey guys, quick thing. You know how we like cheap tools around here? So, I wanted to talk about a brand that I really dig. I've had it, actually I've known about it longer than Harbor Freight. When I went to school for auto body, that's actually the toolkit that was available for me at the school, so that's what I bought. And I've been buying their tools here and there for the last few years. So, the tool brand is Performance Tool. They're actually kind of local to us. They're out of Washington, I think somewhere in Seattle area. I actually just recently finally broke my first performance tool, which took me what, a decade to break. So they are fairly durable. If you're not familiar with this performance tool, this is kind of what their logo looks like. Just a little PT performance tool. Lots of places sell them. You have places like Summit Racing sells them. You have places like I believe O'Reilly's and a bunch of other little shops sell them. But they've been around forever and they work really well. Like when I did my first toolbox tour, I'm sure lots of you guys saw it. That pretty much all of those chromes are performance tools. There's a couple of Craftsmans in there, but yeah, that's the ones that I've had for about a decade. They don't rust, they don't break. I use them on impact and whole 9 yards. I mean, this is what a 10-plus-year-old performance tool socket looks like that's been used and abused. And I don't know if you can see inside, they don't even rust. So I really like them. And once I finally had the warranty one, I got really impressed. Even if you have any type of retailer that might be fulfilling their warranties, it might be worth it for you. Because for me, the way I feel it, so in my opinion, Performance Tool is slightly better quality than Harbor Freight, but if I had to rank it, of course it's nowhere near Snap-on or SK or anything like that. But if I had to rank it quality-wise, I would probably say it's close to tools like Tectone and Craftsman. So yeah, they're really cool tools, so I encourage you guys to try them out. Lots of stores sell them. For me, my Wrench and Home, which is like a farmer's cowboy store around town, a couple miles from me, sells them, and they do fulfill their warranty too, so that's really cool. All of their stuff has lifetime warranty, and as long as you can find the dealer, you don't even have to mail it out. I had my T20 completely stripped. It actually was twisted when I was trying to take a bolt off Dodge Neon throttle body, and I actually bought mine at Summit Racing, and I never really felt like sending it out. But then I realized that my local Wrench and Home is a performance tool dealer, and they had same set, so I just brought it in. They didn't ask for a receipt or anything, just swapped it out whole set, not just T20. So yeah, Performance Tool, another pretty good, decent brand for very cheap, and I do prefer their stuff over Harbor Freight stuff. I actually had their sockets for over a decade, and I haven't had single one that I broke yet, and I break shit all the time. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Again, if you like the channel, hit thumbs up, subscribe. I appreciate you guys, and have a good day.